Smart finance moves. Insight from a CS and IP. Understanding money growth in mutual funds. Introduction. Welcome back to Mastering Mutual Funds. In today's episode, we'll explore how your investments in mutual funds can grow over time. Understanding these growth mechanisms will help you grasp how mutual funds can enhance your wealth. By the end of this episode, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the factors that contribute to wealth accumulation through mutual funds. Recognizing how compounding, dividends, and capital gains work can significantly boost your investment knowledge and help you maximize your growth potential. NAV calculation. How NAV, net asset value, is calculated. NAV is determined by taking the total market value of all the fund's assets, subtracting any liabilities, and dividing by the number of shares outstanding. This calculation gives the per share value, which is updated daily. Growth mechanisms. Compounding returns. Compounding is a powerful mechanism where the returns earned on your initial investment begin to generate their own returns. This exponential growth occurs because the interest or dividends you earn are reinvested, allowing your investment to grow faster over time. It's often said that compounding is the most powerful force in finance, and investing in mutual funds helps you leverage this to achieve significant growth, especially over the long term. Dividends. Mutual funds may earn income from dividends paid by the stocks or interest on the bonds they hold. This income can be distributed to investors as dividends, providing a source of regular income. Capital gains. When a mutual fund sells securities that have increased in value, the profit realized is a capital gain. Funds typically distribute these gains to investors, which can be reinvested to purchase more shares, further enhancing growth. Thank you for joining us in Episode 4 of Mastering Mutual Funds, Understanding Money Growth in Mutual Funds. Today, we explored how your investments can grow over time through powerful mechanisms like compounding returns, dividends, and capital. Understanding these concepts is essential for maximizing your wealth through mutual fund investments. If you found this video helpful and want to continue enhancing your investment knowledge, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned for our next and final episode. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.